All right. Chat. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. We have quite the open on Nasdaq. Chat, it's going to be a headline-driven market this evening, chat. Listen, we have the deadline. Apparently, there's some sort of deal being discussed from what I've been reading. Hang on, chat, let me fix this. There. There we go. Apparently there's some deal between the two parties of US and Iran. Pakistan is kind of mediating it. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens this evening. I'm sure there's going to be a ton of headlines. Tons of headlines. There was a headline that came out about 14 minutes ago. It says good news is expected from both sides. CNN cites regional officer Pakistan asked Trump to extend Iran deadline. A regional source said some good news is expected from both sides soon, and that discussions were steered directly by Pakistan's Army Chief, Field Marshal Asim Munir. The source added that a deal is expected to be closed tonight. So, there could be a deal. We'll have to see. We shall see. Let me get this live shared in Discord real quick. Also get it shared out on the Twitter sphere. All right, bam, bam. Chat, we're also going to do a giveaway today. We're going to be doing a giveaway at some point tonight. See what happens. ESNQ, Master Ground Open, 100%. Am I going to be engaging with this? I don't know, maybe. We'll see. The real Morpher, long time no see. Holy, where you been? Nocturne primitive. I'm not sure what you said there, what that symbol means. Chat, we here. We vibing. Let's see what this evening brings. I think it's going to be a wild one. I really do. I think it's going to be an absolute wild one. Let me change this over to Globex IB. Boy, oh boy, did we open high, baby. Did we open high? Sheesh. Sheesh. I never said hi, my bad. It's so hard to keep up with like the comments, especially like there's a lot that comes in, and then like when other people are talking, it's like I can't cut them off to talk to the chat, and so it's like it's really hard. Really, really hard. So if I missed it, I'm sorry. Apologies. Here's my delayed hello. So hello. Oh man, dude, what an open, bro. I mean, we gapped up like 200 over, yeah, about 200 points up. Over 200 points. Now watch Trump come out and say no deal, bombing everybody. That honestly wouldn't surprise me. Catch any fish yet? No. No, I still haven't caught anything. It's pretty depressing. It's pretty depressing, brother. Need some water, chat. Man, we have 166 point IB on Globex. That's pretty wild. 166 point IB on Globex. That's how you know there's about to be some volatility. Hey, JM, one of those accounts. Thanks, by the way. I've been aggravated trying to get it going. Waiting on support. They should get back to me anytime. I think something is messed up on their end. Yeah, it was the account activations. They're unable to activate new accounts. Is why. I don't know if they fixed it or not. I have to look in their... Have you looked in their Discord to get any updates? Hold on, let me look. Oh yeah, no, it was fixed yesterday. So that's probably the issue you had. Hopefully they help you get it fixed. So if not, I can ping them. Help you out. Oh wait, the TRADEIFY issue from this morning affecting newly activated accounts has been fixed. Yeah, I know they had a big issue with new accounts. Turkey season starts this weekend, and this is the first in 5 years I'm not ready. Holy. I kind of want to go. I got some shotguns. I kind of want to go. How do I get in? I want to go. I need some land. That's what I need to do. I need to buy land, chat. Market seems to have priced in a taco move. What kind of taco are we talking about? Like street tacos? Been busy today and you were a day shift? Gotcha. Well, now you're here. Now you are here. Graybeard Scalper, hello. You prefer Asada? On the bright side, you're up 165 on the sim account. Nice, let's go. Oh, speaking of that, I forgot to record my trade recap. Oof. Chat, if you guys didn't know, in fact, I know you guys don't know. I have a second YouTube channel to where I'm posting my daily recaps. I just started it. So if you want to catch like the daily recaps of my accounts, literally just started doing it yesterday. It's right here. Joey Trades recaps. Just uploaded a video, just started yesterday. So if you want to follow, if you want to catch the daily recaps, that's the channel I'm going to upload them to. I got to upload the one from today. I haven't done it yet. Actually, chat, I could go ahead and just film that right now with you guys. Here. Chat, you guys mind if I record a video live on stream? I got to record yesterday or today. I got to record today's recap video. Are you only trading on TradingView, or do you still use Intraday or TradeIFY? You mean TradeIFY? TradeIFY, or do you still use NTA? I do. I use TradeIFY, so I can't use NinjaTrader because I'm on Mac Studio. Because I'm on Mac Studio, like I could get parallels and stuff, but it's such a pain to do that, and I don't want to go through all that. So I have to do like through TradeIFY because I'm on Mac Studio. But I am getting a PC to where I can trade right on NinjaTrader. All right, chat, I gotta record today's recap video. So let me do that real quick. I'm gonna do it live on stream. And yeah, so let me just record today's recap video and we'll go from there. That way I can get the daily recap video posted real quick. Let's see. All right, chat, bear with me. We're gonna record a video. Today was a tricky day for me. I actually got really upset because I missed some great setups during the morning that I should have been at the charts and taking because they were A+, and I completely missed out on them because I decided to take the morning off. Pretty upset, but we ended up making a little over $700 total today trading the Nasdaq on my TRADEIFY funded accounts. We're up just slightly. We're up about 140 bucks. Per account on the funded. So we did squeeze out a little bit of green. I'm happy to be green. It was a tricky one. We were red at one point, green at one point, break even at another, and then we finally squeezed out some green. So I'm going to share my screen and we're just going to walk through what it is that we took and what I missed because I'm quite upset over this one. So we did have a nice move out of the open here. You can see we had a lot of selling pressure come through off the open. I'm gonna grab my brush tool. You see the selling pressure here. We had a nice retracement back to the 50% IB mid. This was an A+ setup for me as we saw a retest of the IB mid, and we end up wicking out of it and seeing a lot of selling pressure that brought us back down to IB low. So this was the first A+ setup that I missed. The second A+ setup that I missed this morning because I was not at my computer was the IB low failure. This does not get any better. This was like A+++ to the fifth power. Like it was the most A+ of pluses that I could have actually had because we saw the break below IB low. This is on a 5-minute time frame. We saw the break below IB low, and then we had the nice little wick buying us back up and strength back above. That's what I look for. I love wicks like this and then immediate strength following it, getting us back into the IB range. And that's exactly what happened. I mean, we saw a lot of strength come up and push us above the IB mid as well, even higher, going back above VWAP here. And so there were a couple trades that I ended up taking. Now I ended up taking a short up here where we got to the IB mid, and I saw it starting to, I saw this wick. This wick is what kind of threw me for a loop today. I saw that wick, okay, and selling pressure immediately after, and that selling pressure actually got us back below the IB mid. All right, if I just kind of zoom in here, oops, you can see that sellers got us right back below the IB mid here. And so when I saw this wick, right, I saw this wick, I saw the selling pressure, I wanted the shorts because it was screaming at me. It wasn't A++, it was more so of like a B- setup, but it was still worth me taking on relatively small size. I did that, took it on small size. We ended up buying up and I ended up getting stopped out. The next trade that I took was actually a long. I ended up taking a long once I saw this here, and we ended up riding this just a little bit to get us break even on the day. All right. And then the last trade that we took today was over here where this is what put us green. All right. I actually took this live on Ninja Trader's live stream for Power Hour, and I ended up taking the longs here. Okay. I ended up taking the longs and we saw a nice move up. I really wanted to get 24,222s out of this, and I ended up getting that for an all in, all out type of trade. No trailers. Kind of upsetting because there was like a nice little headline that came out and pushed us higher above IB high there. But that's okay. You can't really anticipate headlines are expected in every trade. So happy to squeeze out that trade there to put me green. Not pretty nice on the day. I mean, granted for what it was worth. So nice green day, a little over $700 profit total. We are over halfway to a payout on these TRADEIFY funded accounts, and we'll look to try to get that either, it'll probably be next week when we get that, because we're going to take it nice and slow. Looks like we got a headline coming out right now, actually. Holy chat, look at that. Holy. But anyways, if you guys enjoy these recaps, be sure that subscribe button, the like button. We are live every single day over on my main channel, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. Catch the daily live streams. In the pinned comment, you'll see where I'm live at every single day. So be sure to check that pinned comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers. All right, chat. Sorry. Had to film a recap video. Wowzers. Huh, chat? What'd I miss? What'd I miss? What happened? Market needs a move. It's you got what you asked for. Holy moly, bro. What the heck? Oh wait, did Trump come out? Bro, why is my financial juice so delayed? There we go. Yeah, that was Trump. Trump, I agree to suspend bombing and attack of Iran for a period of 2 weeks. That was it. Well, there's your news, Candle. I'm actually really surprised the market went down as far as it did off that news. You would take that as like kind of a positive. You know what I mean? What is this taco tray? Am I missing something, chat? I'm seeing tacos. Why am I seeing tacos in the chat? My mind's going straight to street tacos, like carne asadas, onions, cilantro, hot sauce, and cheese, bro. Like, why? What's this taco trade? Trump always chicken out. Oh, that's what that stands for? Well, he definitely just did. Huh. All right, so U.S. is no longer going to bomb and attack Iran for a period of 2 weeks. So now what happens? They try to get the Strait open. That should have, oil should be plummeting right now. What's oil doing? Oh yeah, oil plummeting hard. Oil definitely plummeting. We got all the way down to $102 a barrel. Nice plummet on oil. Nasdaq is ripping into oblivion right now. Nasdaq ripping. Hey, Joey, Globex Hop, you just got a whole lot bigger. Yeah, I did. Holy. What is it? 391 points, right? 355. Yeah. It just keeps getting bigger. That's what she said. Holy, Nasdaq ripping, chat. My goodness. Nasdaq ripping into an absolute oblivion. Trump, nearly all the various points of, Trump, nearly all the various points of past contention have been agreed between U.S. and Iran. Here's a big post from True Social. Based on conversation with Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and Field Marshal Asim Munir of Pakistan, and wherein they requested that I hold off the destructive force being sent tonight to Iran and subject to the Islamic Republic of Iran agreeing to the complete, immediate, and safe opening of the Strait of Hormuz. I agree to suspend the bombing and attack of Iran for a period of 2 weeks. This will be a double-sided ceasefire. The reason for doing so is that we have already met and exceeded all military objectives and are very far along with a definitive agreement concerning long-term peace with Iran and peace in the Middle East. We received a 10-point proposal from Iran and believe it is a workable basis on which to negotiate. Almost all the various points of past contention have been agreed to between the United States and Iran, but a 2-week period will allow the agreement to be finalized and consummated. We all love to consummate, right, chat? God bless. Okay, on behalf of the United States of America, as president and also representing the countries in the Middle East, it is an honor to have this long-term problem close to a resolution. Thank you for your attention to this matter, President Donald J. Trump. There you have it, folks. There's the deal. Now, there is a 2-week double-sided ceasefire for this deal to get finalized. So as long as nothing goes wrong in the middle of this 2 weeks, this war could come to an end. This could be the beginning of the end of the war. That's how I see it. What do you guys think, chat? I mean, that could send the market ripping into oblivion overnight. Like we don't have to pull back on anything here. We have no reason to. We have all the reasons to just keep ripping. Big Frank, good evening, sir. Hang on, Chad, be right back. We back. And he says the ceasefire is subject to the Strait of Hormuz reopening. So if they don't open the strait, then the guns are going to go blazing. The strait must be opened, chat. Otherwise, Trump is going to full send it again. Adam was good. Chat, while I'm streaming with you guys, I'm gonna get my daily recap video posted up on YouTube. That way I don't have to mess with it. I can get it up posted. Also, we are gonna do a, I know a lot of you guys ask about TRADEIFY. I am gonna do a tutorial on that. I could do that with you guys right now too, honestly. Could just record some videos while we're all waiting here. Watching PA. Have any of you guys used TRADEIFY yet? What's my feedback about TRADEIFY? I'll show you. All right, I'm just getting this trade recap exported. That way I can put it up on YouTube. Whoa, 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 what happened? Wait a minute. Wait just a minute. There we go. Wait. Okay. You tried it? What's my feedback on TRADEIFY? I like it, honestly. It's a great platform. Of course, I prefer NinjaTrader over anything, but I like the platform TRADEIFY has. It's pretty sweet. I traded on it yesterday, and it worked great. No issues. No issues whatsoever. It seems stable. You wouldn't be surprised if we took out Iran's satellites. That would be less casualties. Yeah, that is true. But, you know, Trump is, he's a very extreme dude. You know what I mean? Very, very extreme. 2 weeks is turning into a Total Recall movie. Facts. Facts, facts, facts. What did we do during Asia last night? Hold on. Yeah, during Asia last night, we saw a lot of sellers. Interesting. Did I catch that? No. No. What time does Asia... Wait. When does IB close during Asia? That would be 8 p.m. Central Time, I believe. Yeah, 8 p.m. Central Time. 9 p.m. Eastern. Ready to short, just waiting to see if there's conviction here. I'm scared of short. Bro, buyers are strong all day. And then we have this. Like, I'm scared of short. I don't know about it, bro. Chris Trader. I hope you have a good trading session. Ava Trading. Somewhat good news. Yeah. Israel also agreed to temporary ceasefire. They just got to open the strait. For this 2 weeks to hold up and a deal to get done, they got to open the strait. That's it. If they don't open the strait, things are going to escalate. And then right back down we go. And oil then goes back to skyrocketing again. Bro, if you could open swing positions on oil, chat. Once this war comes to an end. Oh my God. But the problem is there's just no telling how long it's going to take. That's the issue. Look at the oil. Now down to $100 a barrel. I'm excited about trading the TRADEIFY. Be my first. Is there a fee once you pass the eval? No. No, once you pass the eval, you go straight to fundo. Anyone want to buy slightly used RS7 RSAQ says you fill the tank on both, and I feel like I was paying a second mortgage, bro. Facts, dog. That's how I feel about my truck, dude.
See this bar? Most traders
literally, that's how I feel about my truck. Trading oil back in the day, sub $5. Holy. Longs only. Yep, I agree. I'm just gonna drive my Highlander. I have an older one I refuse to sell. Listen, I miss my Honda Civic, dude. Chat, I used to have a Honda Civic. I could fill that thing up for like 20 bucks and it'll last me like a week and a half. Bro, oil is tanking, dude. Look at oil, chat. Now at 98. Oil is just... down we go on oil. Nasdaq keeps ripping. Your wife told you to sell it? I sold my Honda Civic because I bought a truck. And that thing is now sucking money for gas, bro. Jesus Christ. Cost me like 70 bucks to fill it up. It used to only cost me like 50. What's up, Cynthia? Sellers running for the hills. Yeah. It's getting interesting in these streets. Golly, dude, I need to get long, chat. The hell? We gotta get long, bro. We need longs, chat. We need the longs. Approaching 876. We might be going up to retest 25Ks. If we just keep ripping, we might test 25Ks in the overnight, bro. We just might. At least everything is paid for. Yeah, that's a big W. It's like driving around for free, except gas prices. Except for good old gas. Oh, shit. I can't stop yawning, bro. Help me. Careful with longing institutions could start taking profits anytime. All these institutions are probably, they've probably gone home. But if the market seems to want higher pricing, then we're still, you know, not there. So it kind of just depends. I would not be surprised to see us go to 25Ks tonight. Like in the overnight, I wouldn't be surprised that 25Ks comes in. It'll be their algos working now, yeah. All right, hold on, chat. Let me export this thumbnail for YouTube. I'm uploading a daily recap video right now on my recap channel, chat. If you're not subscribed to the recap channel, we just started it yesterday. Chat, if you want to see today's recap video, it's going up. Oh wait, that's the wrong link. My bad. Hang on, chat. Hang on. Let me grab the link. Here's the here's my trade recaps channel, chat. I'm uploading a video to it right now for today. We uploaded yesterday's as well. So if you want to catch the daily recaps, that'll be it'll be on that channel there. Bang, bang. Am I taking the long? Not right now, no. I don't like, I'm not gonna long up here. If I get a pullback, I will. But I most definitely need a pullback. Am I gonna be live for the New York Open? Yes, I will be live tomorrow for the Open. When Trump will start yapping? Oh, it's already happened. They've already accepted a deal. Israel also agreed to a temporary ceasefire. They just got to open the strait. It's a two-sided ceasefire, so they have to open the strait. You want oil to break down below 96.50? What are we at right now, bro? I know it's tanking. 97. Yeah, oil is getting smoked, bro. Smoked. Which is great, bro. We need gas prices to come down, dude. We really do. We need gas prices down. Because they are ridiculous. Literally ridiculous, chat. Like, literally, it cost me like $70 to fill up my truck, and I'm not happy about it. It used to cost 50. Literally, it costed 50. It's mad annoying. We'll see if Iran holds up their end of the deal. Like I said, they have to open the strait. That's part of this deal. Part of the agreement is they have to open the strait. So if Iran holds their end of the bargain, this war could come to an end pretty fast. Could come to an end pretty quick. Hang on, Chad. Let me go get some water real quick. All right, we're here. Wow, oil now down to $95. Chat. Oil. Bro, is oil gonna just keep going and not look back? Oil might not be looking back. We might be going all the way. Screw it. Send it to zero. Just send it to zero. White House official, Iran ceasefire will come into force once Iran opens a strait. Iran negotiations with U.S. will be held in Islamabad, Pakistan to finalize details aiming to confirm Iran's battlefield achievements politically within a maximum of 15 days. I mean, it's headline after headline after headline, baby. Holy, look at oil. Look at oil. This is a pullback I was waiting on. This is oil. I'm not trading oil. I'm looking at Nasdaq. Yeah, this is crazy. Mark Miller, good evening. Discussions will begin Friday, April 10th, and may be extended if both sides agree. What am I fishing for? I'm waiting to see if I get a good short. If I do get a good short entry on oil, I'll take it. I'm not going to chase it down here, but also watching a pullback for NAS too, because if we can get a nice pullback on NAS, I'll take it long. And then looking at gold, gold's pretty much same thing. Like a pullback on gold, I'd take long. So just waiting to see what happens. I think I'm gonna watch gold more so now. $1,209 times 5 accounts. Holy, you love to see that. Yes, sir. You love to see it. Try some Blue Fox drop spoons. They get attracted to those. Pretty good. What type, what fish species? What a show at the markets? Yeah, the markets are wild. Like, dude, oil's just getting, oil's getting cooked. Which I love to see, to be honest. We'll see if oil ever rebounds down here. Let's see, what do we have any, what levels do we have on oil down here? I mean, 92s, maybe? We already popped through 96s. I mean, next level is like 92s. Huh. You get you a catheter? Holy. We made a milli yet? No, not yet. Not yet. Remember pre oil was negative? How long ago was that? Taco Trump always chickens out. Dan, are you caught up to the stream? I think we talked about that a long time ago. Just make sure you refresh, make sure you caught up to the stream. Mal's wanting to go short NQ. Yeah. Chat. Oil just getting smoke-a-roonied, bro. Absolutely cooked. Nasdaq's holding up here. I was like, oil is the star of this live. Yeah, we're watching it closely. See, Iran 10-point proposal included lifting all primary and secondary sanctions, payment of full compensation to Iran, and release of all frozen Iranian assets. Iran is requesting a lot, bro. I don't know. I feel like things still have a chance to get hostile, but we'll see. We know how Trump is. He's a loose cannon. Trump is a mega loose cannon, bro. All joking aside, I keep scalping oil short. I mean, yeah, you could. You really could. I got some evals to play with. I'm looking for a short on oil, honestly. If we get a nice pullback on oil, I don't mind shorting it. Right now, buyers feel like they're trying to hold these 94s. As long as Nasdaq keeps on ripping, baby, we'll just wait to see if it pulls back. I need to pull back in Nasdaq. I need to pull back in oil. I would love to be long Nasdaq, short oil, and long gold as well. That's what I want. Oil seeing some more sellers start to come in here. Nasdaq still ripping. Oil trying to go down and make another low here. Look at oil. Oil trying to make a new low. It's getting crazy up in here, chat. It's getting absolutely crazy. Doing those fast scalps. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Oil trying to hold down here, but we'll see if it can. I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a buy up, just as like kind of like a recovery. But overall, I would be nothing but short oil. Oil might try to catch a little bit of a recovery bounce, but I don't know how much of one. Doing one contract here every time it pulled back on this 2 minute. I just took a short. Nice. Not a bad way to play it, honestly. Little D, yeah, you are right. It is a little degenerous, but listen. As long as you're shorting it, you're just, I mean, are you being a degen? You're not trying to fade a big ass move to the downside. Oil is stuck down here in these 94s. But also too, at least you're doing it in evals. You're not doing it in like funded accounts where you can just get completely just wrecked, you know? That's the good thing about it. If you're trading oil and fundeds, oh baby. Oh, Danny, you caught back up? Did you refresh? There we go. I had a feeling you were a little bit delayed. If Trump even hints at a war in the next hour, it's gonna be brutal. I mean, yeah. Well, I don't think he's going to. I think we're gonna have a deal lined out. I mean, there's a 2-week ceasefire. As long as Iran opens a strait, as long as the strait gets opened, I think there will be we'll be pretty close to the end of the war, because the strait has to be open for this 2-week ceasefire, and they're gonna be working out negotiations on how to end the war and stop everything during these 2 weeks, right? During the 2-week ceasefire. So as long as they open the strait and nothing escalates, I mean, this war could come to an end quickly. Oil flushing again, going back down to 92. January is the yearly IV. Yo, I like that. I do. The first month of the year. I like that. Iran did not want the sauce. Iran would be stupid, bro, to not open straight, to be honest. Like, that would be just dumb. Trump is a loose cannon, bro. He really is. Iran just needs they just need to open straight. Dude, oil might be going down to fucking 80s, bro. Oil might be going down to the 80s. They open it somewhat, and no, they gotta open it. Like, that's part of the ceasefire agreement, is their strait is opened. So, I mean, we'll see. Oh my. Oh my. Oil. Oil, chat. My goodness. Look at oil, dude. It's just not stopping. Oil is not stopping. Look out below. We might be going to 80s, chat. We might be going to 80s on oil. Sheesh. $77. My goodness. Which one of you degens is actually longing oil right now? Who's trying to long oil? Who's trying to pick the bottom, chat? I know one of you is. Which one of you is trying to pick the bottom? Who is it? Who's doing it? Be honest. Speak up. You're not allowed to do anything. Ask your wife. Still holding up 840-ish. Nice. Let's go. Dude, oil. Oil, oil, oil. Not before 88. You think it's gonna go to 88? Good. I mean, we're flirting with 80s. Trying to catch a little bit of a bid, but on oil, but we'll see. Decent bid holding on oil. We're going back to the future of the magical 88s. Holy. As long as NQ keeps pumping, oil could continue to drop. Yeah, no, that's facts. Good. Gas prices should be much better, chat. We should have much better gas prices. Chat, if you guys already subbed to the channel, do me a favor, hit that sub button. We are live every single day. Morning, afternoon, evening streams. You guys should be subbed up, baby. You should be subbed up and tuning in. Subbed up and tuning in, chat. Also, chat, for all my premiums, for all my initial balance premiums in Discord, just know we have our first group call tomorrow at market close. Super pumped. We're going to talk about that IB initial balance. We're going to develop systems. We're going to talk about trades. We're going to talk about plans going forward with the IB. Our first group call is tomorrow at market close. If you guys thought about ever joining it and want to join it, link in the comments there. We'll be talking is training on my strategy that I've used for 3 years. We have a group call once a week. I'll be doing more calls than that though, just kind of hopping in. That's where the real value is. If you want to join up, that's the link to do so. Be sure to claim the VIP role for Discord. All right, oil is still trying to hold its bid down here at 93. Guys, do you think oil broke out of its IB range? Holy Jesus, dude. All right, what's gold doing? Let's go take a look at gold. Gold's seeing a little bit of weakness up here. Oil still trying to hold its bid. Holding the 94s in oil. Gold is at 840s. Nasdaq still ripping. Nasdaq still ripping. Gold is seeing a little bit of sellers up here. We're back under IB high on gold. Things are starting to slow down a little bit in the markets. NQ aiming for prior month's high by a week's end. By the looks of it, maybe. Well, it was fun while it lasted. It was fun. Yeah, it was. If Trump comes out and says that post was fake news, like what happened months ago, you can see an epic sellout. Oh, dude, the markets would freaking just melt. Oil would rip into oblivion. We'd go to 120 on oil. There's gonna be a lot, yeah. That deal to include enrichment. There's gonna be a lot that they negotiate on for this like period, this 2-week period of ceasefire. There's gonna be a lot they negotiate on, chat. I mean, things could still turn hostile. I mean, it's like if Iran doesn't open the strait, or if negotiations aren't met and things go sideways. There's still a lot of room for things to escalate, but I think more so, this has gotten us closer to the war ending. As long as the strait's open and they reach negotiations, this war is going to come to an end. Pay and trade is up. Oil still trying to hold the bid. Oil trading 94s. Nasdaq trading 25,035. So yeah, we went straight to 25Ks. Already hitting 25Ks, bro. We were just at, didn't we tap into like 23s or 22s rather? Yeah, we tapped in at 22s And now we're already back to 25s. Crazy, bro. Crazy. Oil is trying to hold a bid. I'm surprised Nasdaq's not trying to sell off from this. Or at least pull back. Not even sell off, but at least pull back. It's kind of surprising. Because that bid on oil is trying to come through. You see the bid on oil. Chat can't stop yawning, bro. I don't know what's going on with me. You can see the bid on oil. Had a conversation with a trader who was invited to Europe to an investors roundtable to invest in this war, believing this thing ain't over by far. I don't know. I don't know. All this for a 10-day ceasefire? Yep. Yup. I kind of want to short oil again, chat. I kind of want to short oil. I'm going to take oil short, 2 micros. TP right at 93. Wing it down there. Not looking to hold this thing. Unless buyers want to hold this bid, which they might. I'm doing this in evals, by the way, chat. This is not funded. It's just an evals. Just seeing if momentum wants to carry. If not, that's okay. Is there a specific day I go live with just evals? Not really. Kind of just depends on like time of day. Like if I'm trading in Asia or trading like something like oil like this, I'll usually do it in evals. New York, the New York session, I usually trade my fundeds. Unless there's something crazy going on, then I might trade evals. But New York session, mainly fundeds and in my personal account as well. During Globex or Asia, I might pull out some evals. So it kind of just depends. Well, oil might be trying to hold a bit here. Depends if I want to be a degen or not. Facts. Bielka, hola. Buyer's still holding this. Need to reject. Reject, 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 reject. Dang, I don't know if it's gonna, I think it's might get this might tap me out. Might tap me. And then I'll just look for another place to short oil. I want to be the short side oil. I don't want to be longing oil down here. So we might just be buying up a little bit higher. Do I get tapped out here? You're done for the week? Nice. That's always a good feeling. Man, buyers are just holding this bid. Come on, sellers. You did all this. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now, sellers. I feel like I got a good entry. Just buyers keep holding this thing. Come on, sellers. Take me down. Nope. This trade's taking 3 business days. Bruh. What is we doing? What is we doing, baby? Come on, sellers. Sellers. About to start longing micros and pray. On oil? You're gonna fade me right now? Come on. Drop it on down, baby. Drop it on down. Take me to 93.8. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Sellers. Don't toy with me right now. Sellers. What are we doing? Oh, I'm gonna get tapped. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. All right, we're down 166. Down 166. Stupid oil. I feel like this is my first time actually trading oil. I don't remember the last time I traded oil. Now that I think about it. You've never traded oil? It's not bad. It's not a bad instrument to trade. Of course, now it's gonna dump, chat, watch. It's gonna stop me out and then dump. I'm re-entered. I just now re-entered, chat. Re-entered. Oh wait, you guys can't see. Hold on. There. I decided to re-enter. Oh shit, I'm in 5 micros? What the hell? Hold on. Wait a minute. No, I didn't want to be in 5 micros. I'm supposed to be in 2. What the hell? Uh-oh, chat. I might be cooked. I'm in 5 micros right now. I did not want to be in 5 micros. Oh no. I was wondering why my P&L looks so high, bro. Chat, I might be cooked. Oh no, chat, I might be cooked, bro. No. Oh no, 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 no. Hold on. I am way oversized. I should have only been in 2 micros. Why am I in 5? How did that happen? How the hell did I get in 5 micros? I have my lot size set to 2. I'm so confused. Not a bad entry. Yeah, but these are 25K accounts though. Like 5 micros will cook me. I'm not gonna let that go to stop loss, chat. I'm just gonna go ahead and get out of it. I'm not gonna let that go to stop loss. I'm on 25K accounts, bro. I can't let that go. I don't know why I was in 5 micros. My lot size is set to 2. So how do I get to 5? That's so confusing. Huh. I don't know how that happened, chat. That's annoying. To be in 5 micros. I was wondering why my P&L was like so high and my stop loss was like so high. I was like, wait a minute, like this doesn't seem right. How do I go when my lot size is set to 2? How did I get entered in 5? I don't know. I'm super confused on that. I'm trying to think if I had like an order out there or something. Which I don't think I did. I traded the trade that I was in before that. Did I trade 3 micros? Well, Christian, even if I clicked twice, my lot size was set to 2. So that would have entered me in 4, not 5. Was the trade that I was in before that on 3 micros or 2? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. That's weird. I must have had like a, I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know how I got in 5 chat, to be honest with you. I don't know if I fat fingered something. But that was odd. That was very odd. Huh. Oh well. Well, moving on. Moving on, chat. Good thing it's only evals and not fundeds. On TRADEIFY, no. Buyers really are holding this on oil. Interesting. Of course, now it's going to all come down, chat watch. Now oil is going to come down all the way back down. Now that I got out of my fat finger trade or whatever the hell happened. Bro. Mad annoying. Mad annoying, chat. All the way back down. Watch it. Bro. Bro. Tokyo, yeah, Tokyo did just open. Oops, did not mean to do that. Settings. Tokyo is open. $700, that's good for a select eval. Heck yeah, it is, dude. Yeah, I had to drag the screen over. I almost wonder, like, when I went to drag my screen over to show you guys a trade, because it wasn't like pulled up on my actual monitor that shows alive. I wonder if I pulled it over when I pulled the monitor over, if I accidentally entered into more contracts. That's kind of what I'm thinking. And that's the only thing that really makes sense, is if I accidentally entered more when I drag the screen over. But even then, with my lot size set to 2, I don't know, dude. Yeah, clicking the DOM could be, I could have ordered off the DOM, dude. That's actually facts. That actually probably explains it right there. I probably accidentally ordered off the DOM, chat. That dude, that makes all the sense in the world. Because the DOM is like right there. Huh. That makes sense. Oh well. We got out of the position. We didn't let it go to stop loss and cook the account, so we got out. Tokyo is open. Ultimately, it helps you long term. That is facts. I don't want to be an accidental trader. Like, yeah, I mean, accidental trading can really can really hurt you mentally. Let's go look at NQ real quick. NQ is really just hovering these 25,000s, trading right above 25Ks. Gold saw a nice bid above IB high on Globex there. Asia, IB now starting to form. A bit of buyers here on oil again. Are we going to see more sellers on oil, or are we going to buy up here, chat? Buyers are buying this thing back up. Back to 95. I mean, we've seen such a big move down on oil. It wouldn't surprise me to see us kind of chill out down here. I mean, this was a big move, chat. Big move. We went from 109 on oil down to 91. So this was a pretty big move. Sheesh. Big move. All right, buyers are now coming in off the Tokyo Open here, trying to retrace, go back up to 96.5. Nasdaq's not doing anything. Nasdaq's cooked. I'm not even gonna look at Nasdaq anymore. Gold hanging out up here as well. What's Russell doing? Not much. Hanging out there. Man, oil is the fun one right now. Oil is a fun one to watch. You picked a crazy day to fund your Top Step brokerage account? Is Top Step brokerage, is it? Can you actually fund your own accounts now? Is that a thing? It's live now? Interesting. I haven't paid much attention to Top Step lately. I've been so focused on like other things. I haven't really looked at Top Step. No, my main platform is not TRADEIFY. My main platform is TRADEIFY. I'm just testing out TRADEIFY just to get a feel for it. I use TradingView to chart and TRADEIFY to execute. But no, you don't have to purchase anything else for TRADEIFY. You just buy the account, buy whatever prop account you want to trade with TRADEIFY, and then choose the platform you want. Everything's included when you get the account from TRADEIFY. You can deposit via debit card, Apple, Google Play, or Google Pay, Wire, and even Top Step payouts directly. Wow. That's pretty solid. Can you buy accounts with Top Step via your Top Step brokerage, Dan? If it fails, you're doing a short. Oh, it's only a one-way street. Let's see. But you can withdraw back to your debit card and then pay for your Top Step combine. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Oil still seeing some sellers here. The margin, what are the margins? They're like AMP, nice. Oil is still seeing a bid. Just looking for back to the 25 area. Oil's in a tricky spot. It's like we're either going to hold here and bid up higher, or we're going to consolidate, maybe sell lower. I don't know. Oil's in a tricky spot. TRADEIFY lifetime license gang. Facts. I got that lifetime. All right, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Oil still catching a little bit of a bid. Oil still bidding down here in these 95s. Don't care either way. This is just stack evals. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. Oil is really trying to hold a bid down here. I mean, they are fighting. They're like, we don't want to go down any lower. We've bled enough. There's been enough bloodshed. Oil's like, please no. Please don't do it. Nice, Dan. Does dump you want at least one runner with no take profit for NQ? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Is that a head and shoulder on MNQ? No. Not really. Not really. Man. Oil really just trying to hold this. I've already been live for 2 hours, chat. What the hell? Live for 2 hours. Top Step has restricted minis for live funded traders. Wow, dude. That's actually a pretty crazy move. I mean, I fully believe in micros anyways, but that's a pretty crazy move. to disable minis for live traders. I mean, they're live traders. Why would they disable? Why would they disable something for live traders? It's their account. Did they restrict how many micros they can trade? That's crazy. Micros are allowed. Yeah, it's like how many though? Like I guess you can trade up to as many micros as you want. I mean, so if they disabled minis, can't people just trade? If they say like if they normally trade 2 minis, can't people just trade 20 micros? You know what I mean? So it's like, I don't know. Seems confusing why they would do that. I guess maybe because it's just a war headline and news from tonight. Maybe, I don't know. That's a pretty weird move though. Especially for live traders. Of course they're not going to do it for sim funded traders. They want them to blow. Unless did they do it for everyone or just live traders? Oil is really trying to hold the bid. The bid is holding on oil. Just waiting for to take you out. Yeah. Thought it was really so quiet. You got the stream on mute. Holy, what up, Miss K? How you doing, girl? What's good, baby? I'm looking good. Oh, Miss K. Miss K. Joey's down bad. I'm not down bad. I mean, I'm not tilted over what happened earlier. I'm a little annoyed by it though. I'm a little annoyed by it. But I'm not tilted. Took a bigger loss than what I originally wanted to. Because I fat fingered a position size that I didn't need to be in. Looks like I need a hug. Nah, I'm good. You can send me a cyber hug though. I'll take a cyber hug. Oil is trying to roll here a little bit. We'll see. I've been live for over 2 hours though, so I'm getting ready to call it, chat. I'm cooked. I'm really cooked, chat. Absolutely cooked. We're gonna have to do the giveaway. Actually, yeah, we'll do the giveaway tomorrow. We'll do the giveaway tomorrow, chat. I don't have it in me. We'll do the giveaway tomorrow morning. So if you want a chance to win an account, come by tomorrow morning. We'll do it then. I'm gonna call it. I've been live for 2 hours, which means I've been live all day long. I was live for TRADEIFY for an hour, then Ninja Trader for 2 hours, and now here for over 2 hours. I'm cooked. I'm cooked, bro. I've been live for a total of like 6 hours almost today. I am absolutely cooked. So I'm gonna call it, chat. I will see you guys in the morning. Is able to show chat what to do when you make a mistake. Let it go quick. Yes, always let it go quick. Don't be an accidental trader. Never works out in your favor. All right, chat. I'll holler at you guys. I'll see you tomorrow morning, bright and early, baby. Peace. Come through for the giveaway tomorrow morning. Hit that sub button on your way out. Tune in. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Use code JM. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Cheers.